Creation with Unity and Anything World for beginners. Part 1. Install Unity. While you wait for the Unity install, let's go to the website called anything.world. And you will be presented with Llama, being juiced up and spinning its magic sauce. As you continue to explore this colorful website and begin to be fascinated with all the color choices, you will need to create and log in into an account. Once you're logged in, just download the SDK and copy the access token. At this point, you should be ready to switch back to the Unity. Once Unity has finished downloading, pick 3D and name your project. Now at this stage, you should be inside the Unity and you might have a message displayed inside your console. Don't panic, just ignore it. At this stage, we import a package we downloaded earlier. Let's navigate to the project tab. Now we should be ready to open Anything World test scene and begin the voice creation. Oh wait, but everything is pink. To fix that, we need to navigate to the package manager and install additional dependencies. Type in search universal RP and hit install. Once that has finished installing, everything should look correct. Last thing to do is to go to Anything World settings and paste our access key. We should now be able to use Anything World Creator and test if the package is working correctly. At this point, you're probably thinking, well, what can I search? There's so many things. In short, you can search for anything, but right now we will just search for animals. And voila, we have all the animals that we searched for. Now we know that the package is working and we're ready to use our voice to create things, amazing things. So let's create something. In Anything World Creator, select Voice Creator and say, make 20 sheep and add a wolf. You might be thinking, oh, that's cool. It's very cool. I'm impressed. But how can we make it even better? So let's try make something a little bit more complicated. Make an underwater world with 20 sharks and 15 fish and add 3 submarines. And there you go. You just learned how to create using your voice in Unity 3D. No code. Just voice. Amazing. In part 2, you will learn how to have a conversation with a sheep. That's right, have a conversation with a sheep. See you then.